Lafayette, Louisiana, is a city that's always on the move. But with progress comes waste. And when it's time to manage that waste, look no further than LA Waste Solutions. Whether you're tackling a renovation project or need to clean up, we have the perfect solution. At LA Waste Solutions, we pride ourselves on providing you with the finest dumpster rental in Lafayette, Louisiana. We offer a range of sizes to meet your needs, from small to large, and we make the rental process as simple as it can be. Our friendly and professional team will deliver your dumpster right where you need it. Our foremost concern is safety, and we take every measure to ensure the efficient and responsible management of your waste. Whether working on a home renovation, construction project, or tidying up your property, our dumpster rentals are your ideal waste management solution. Ready to get started? Visit our website at www.lawastesolutions.com to explore our dumpster rental options, pricing, and more. Give us a call at 337-888-4951, and our friendly customer service team will assist you every step of the way. LA Waste Solutions is your trusted Lafayette, Louisiana partner for all your dumpster rental needs. Your waste, our solution. LA Waste Solutions is Lafayette's premier dumpster rental service.